How to install and create account on Microsoft Teams for Windows. Microsoft Teams is a persistent chat-based collaboration platform complete with document sharing, online meetings, and many more extremely useful features for business communication. Microsoft Teams has many core components that make it stand out from other collaboration software: Teams and channels, conversation within channel and Teams, a chat function, document storage in SharePoint, online video calling, and screen sharing, online meetings, audio conferencing. How do you install Microsoft Teams on Windows? First of all, go to your preferred browser. I will use Google Chrome, so open your Chrome. On the address bar, write google.com. On the search input on Google, write Microsoft Teams and click on Search. The first site will be a site from Microsoft. Click on it. On this page, click on Download Teams. Click on Download for desktop. Click Download Teams. You will now download the Teams version for Windows. After you downloaded the file that will install Microsoft Teams on Windows, click on that. You will start the install and create account process. On this new page, click on Sign up for free. You can use Microsoft Teams for free, and you can use it with any account. Enter an email you wish to use for your Teams account. Click on Next. Here you can select for what you wish to use Teams. I will choose for work and click Next. Please note, when I did this video, when you selected for friends and family, you will be redirected to Skype, so use Teams for work. You would be asked to configure a password and share some info about yourself like country and birthday. Write the verification code. Let's check the email for this verification code. Click Next. Complete the required puzzle. Now write your first name and last name. You can also write the company name and select your country. After this, click on Set up Teams. Now you will have the possibility to use the web app or get the Teams app. I want to use the Teams app on my Windows PC, so I will click Open Microsoft Teams. Write your email that you created the Teams account. Then click Sign in. Write the password and click Next. Now the Teams app is loading. You have now created an account on Microsoft Teams for Windows. You can now start organizing your company and work on Teams. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.